Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple tea that will help to cleanse the lungs and also stop cough and flu. So stay tuned. So to make this tea, I'll be making use of 6 bay leaves. You can choose to use the dry bay leaf or the fresh bay leaves. I'll be adding the bay leaf into the pot. You can cut it into smaller pieces. Bay leaf is so good for cough and flu because it contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It also contains some essential oil. So I'm going to use 2 cups of water. So I will add the water. When I'm done adding the water, I'm going to put it on the heat and allow it to boil for 7 minutes. So while the bay leaf is boiling, I'll be showing you another ingredient. I'll be making use of mint leaves. I've already washed the mint leaves, so I'm going to remove it from the stem. Mint leaf contains antibacterial and antifungal properties. It has soothing properties. I'm removing the mint leaf from the stem. I will set aside. Then 7 minutes later, I'm going to turn off the heat and remove the bay leaf from the heat. Then now I'm going to add the mint leaf, then cover and allow to cool. Then after about 5 minutes, I'm going to strain to get the tea. This tea is so good because it contains mint, which will help to relax the respiratory muscles and heals stuffy nose. Mint leaves also has cooling effect, which will help in treating sore throat. And the addition of bay leaf will help to strengthen our body immunity. And it is also good for fighting against virus and bacterial infection. So when the tea is ready, you can choose to add lemon. And lemon is so good because it contains vitamin C. It will help in removal of mucus and relieve pain. So I'm going to add some lemon juice. You can choose to add honey. Take 1 cup of this tea while warm in the morning and in the evening. It will help to cleanse your lungs and stop cough. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.